Hi, I'm Daniel Green here in the Gourmia kitchen. When I talk to home gourmets and ask them what they'd most want if they could have anything different about their kitchen, most of them say more room. So when they consider a new cooking appliance, they need to know that it's really going to be worth its footprint. This device really is the Gourmia 18-in-1 AnyCooker Master. What do we mean by 18-in-1? Well, here's one AnyCooker, and here's 18 different things you can do with it. It deep fries, steams, defrosts, keeps food warm, roasts, grills, bakes, it stir fries, makes fondues, hot cereals, yogurts, and so much more. In fact, it would be a lot easier to talk about what the AnyCooker doesn't cook. If you had exactly one cabinet in your kitchen with room for only one appliance, this one you would have to have without question. Okay, so before you say, but that sounds complicated, take a look at this, the smart VCD display. Just navigate to the function you want and you get things like fried chicken tenders. What about a hot meal to feed the troops on a cold winter day? Beef stew, if we need a healthy side for a hungry crew. Steamed veggies, and don't forget dessert, chocolate fondue. Each function tells the AnyCooker how long and how hot to saute, bake, roast, steam, deep fry, and braise virtually anything you put in it. The 5.5 quart die-cast aluminium non-stick cooking bowl is big enough for a good-sized roast or a whole chicken, and it's removable for such easy cleaning. No wonder we call it the Do-It-All Pot.